welcome back to GTHQ. Today I've got the Gosund Wi-Fi smart plug. This is the 13A one and we're going to unbox it. I've got the companion app downloaded on my phone and we're going to open up the plug. That's just my Google Nest Hub over there getting ready because it's going to be testing out the plug with me today. So I'm going to connect it to some smart accessories. There I've got the plug. Here we've got the manual. Let's open it up. So we've just got a big manual here. It's all in English, which is very useful because sometimes they're all in who knows what language. Let's just put the manual there and get the plug out. Here we have the smart plug. I've got a UK version. It's got a good quality feeling button. The button feels very good quality. Let's put the plug to the side. And I don't think there's anything else to this box. Does the bottom come out? I can't get the bottom out. I don't know if there's anything under it. As I can see, there's nothing under there. Let's set up the plug. I'm now going to turn on my plug and refer to the Gosund app on my smartphone, thanks to whoever's just liked my YouTube reply. I'm going to choose to add a new device and choose a socket because that is what I have. I'm now going to type in my Wi-Fi details. Now, I've got to turn on the device and hold the reset switch for 5 seconds. And then confirm that the indicator is blinking fast. Yep, it's doing that. Now it's searching for my plug. It's checking it's powered on. And I'll be back to you once I've done this step. I've now found my mini smart plug. I'm going to click done. I don't know, it's just loading something. I now have my plug here in my Gosund Home app. I can power it on and off. I'm doing this from the app and it's changing on my plug. I can add timers, countdowns, so I can get it to turn on for 1 minute. There's lots of stuff I can just do easily. If I was to change onto my 4G network instead of my Wi-Fi, I'm controlling it remotely as well. I can do everything out of the house that I can do in the house. I can even see how much electricity I've used here in the app. I'm now going to connect my plug to Google Home using my Google Home app. I'm going to start by opening my Google Home app. Now I'm going to choose to add. I'm going to set up a new device. Works with Google. Now I've got to search for Gosund. Or find it in the list because that's the brand my plug is. Here's Gosund Smart. Let's click on it. And now I've just got to log into my Gosund account. Back in a minute. I've now done all of that. So I'm just going to select my device, which is the mini smart plug, and click next. I'm going to add it to my home. Now I'm going to choose a room. While it's doing this, I'm just going to stare at my plug because it's a very pretty plug. And now it's been added to my home. Now I'm in the home control area on my hub and I'm just going to choose rooms. I'm now in the room. I can choose here, straight here, to turn my mini smart plug on and off. On and off. And I can click it to get more options. Mostly just turning on and turning off. Hey Google, turn the mini smart plug on.
Alright, turning mini smart plug on.
and my mini smart plug has now turned on. This is great. See you for another video
I don't
soon.
know how to help with that.